Good morning, dear students. In your last lessons, you have done about structure, shape, and size of the leaves. I hope you all are waiting very eagerly about your next video lesson. So I am here with your next topic, that is functions of a leaf. Well, dear students, as I already told you that a leaf is also known as the kitchen of a plant, or we can call it the food factory of a plant. It means leaves make food for the plant. The process of making food by green leaves is known as photosynthesis. It is the main function of a leaf. There are some requirements of the leaves for making food. That requirements are water, carbon dioxide, sunlight, and chlorophyll. What are these requirements? Sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. Well, students, do you know how do the leaves fulfill these needs? First of all, the very first need is water. Generally, water is absorbed by the roots from the soil, and roots send this water to the stem, and from stem it reaches to the leaves. And the second requirement is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present in the very special structure known as chloroplast inside the leaves. Now the next requirement is a gas, that is carbon dioxide. It is taken by the stomata present on the under surface of the leaves. And the last requirement is sunlight. It is absorbed by the chlorophyll present inside the leaves. Well, this was all about the fulfillment of the requirements of the leaves. Now what do the leaves do after fulfilling these requirements? Generally, leaves convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Generally, that sugar, it is the main product. This sugar is known as the food of a plant. It is a type of carbohydrate, and it also releases oxygen into the atmosphere. That oxygen we use to breathe in. Well, this was all about the process of photosynthesis. Again, I am going to repeat it. There are 4 requirements of the plants, that are sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. Water is absorbed by the roots from the soil. Sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment present inside the leaves of a plant. And carbon dioxide is a gas that is absorbed by the stomata present under surface of the leaves. And after that, leaves convert this carbon dioxide and water into sugar and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This was all about the photosynthesis process. It is the main function of the leaf. There are some more functions of leaves like transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of excess water from the leaves. It is done by the stomata. Stomata are the tiny openings that are present under surface of the leaves. These these tiny openings release out excess water from the leaves. And one more function that is performed by the stomata is exchange of the gases. Generally, the stomata that are present on the surface of leaves are helpful in exchanging gases. These release oxygen in the atmosphere and take in carbon dioxide for making food from the atmosphere. Well, this was all about the uses, about the functions of the leaves. I hope the video will be beneficial for you. Again, I am repeating that there are 3 functions. First is photosynthesis process, means for making food of the plant. Second is the exchange of gases, that is done by the stomata present under surface of the leaves. And the third that function is transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of excessive water from the plants. It is also done through the stomata present under surface of the leaves. Well, this was all about the functions of the leaves. I hope the video will be useful for you people. Thanks for watching my video. I will be back soon with a new topic. Well, dear students, have a good day. Take care.